Alright, we're back. This time we got the Hyanka. I guess y'all remember the review on them. We went on ahead and put a box together for them just so we could test them out. Paint got through drying everything, so we said we'll go ahead and put it in here. We hadn't really hit nothing in this truck. We always hauling stuff in this truck and doing work out of it, you can say. You know, of course you can see how dirty it is. But ain't no need in cleaning it. Y'all excuse that. But we got this thing here. It ain't on a lot of power. Y'all know that as usual. But we're gonna go ahead and get this thing a test. We gave it a test. It's exactly what it is. I said a budget build. You know, I don't know, but you know, some people say when it's not loud, it's an SQL build. That's what they say. You know, they say it's an SQL build when they ain't loud. I'm gonna just tell it like it is, man. You know, people do that a lot. It's SQL. Nah, that ain't what y'all were going for. See, just tell it like it is. It ain't as loud as you want it to be. And there's nothing wrong with it. Just don't call it SQL if it ain't meant to be SQL. But anyway, this just a little something, man. If you need some sound, I think it'll get the job done, man. Let me know what y'all think we did on the box, man. I think the box turned out pretty good, man. I don't know. But I think so. But hey, tell us a little volume. Let me see. It ain't rattling no trunk or nothing for sure, but alright, give me a little bit more. Oh yeah. Here you go. Go down. I think there's a 1.5 inch coils on these, so y'all know we can't put a lot of power on this, man. 500 watts or 1,000 watts would be good on the set, man. They say 800 watts RMS, I believe, or something like that. But I mean, it may say 500 RMS, but you definitely want to keep it low. You know, 1,000 watt amp is the most you want to try. At some point, you know, they'll start popping. You know, you already know at that point you're pushing it too far. But definitely, it's alright, man. It'll get the job done. Like, nice little budget setup, if that's what you're looking for. Maybe it'll do a whole lot better in the trunk, I think. You know, if you're looking for a little bit of a rattle or whatnot, it may do it. But in this Suburban, I already knew it wouldn't do that. We had an actual no wall set up in the white truck at one point, and it wouldn't do nothing. I think we had some, what do we have? Some 15s or 12s? We had 4 12s in there at one point. Remember those ones you get at Walmart? We think we did 4 of those with like 2 amps. And then what else? Well, we did a couple SCAR setups in there. We were just really testing them, really, I guess you could say. But we wasn't really recording at that time, but we were just testing them out. But it worked out. But it didn't do exactly what we wanted to do. So we had to upgrade all the way. So we figured we'd go up pretty good a couple of times. But definitely, let's play another song, get it moving right quick, you know, show y'all how it moves. Alright guys, well y'all know, man, Like I say, it's the $100 subs. I think they may be 89 right now. But of course, y'all know I'll leave a link down for y'all. Be sure to like, subscribe, share the video. If y'all like budget videos like this, but I don't want to blow them or nothing like that. You know, I might end up giving them away or selling them to somebody, something. I don't know. But, I didn't want to blow them, so we just kept it to a minimum this time. Y'all know we blew us a 15 and sub with for one on video. We ran it on the South 12, but we won't do that here on this. I usually try to put it on the South 12 and see what I can do to it, but it's a little too close to showtime for me to take that gamble. I be done lost the amp and everything, got $200 worth of subs, and it just ain't worth it. But next time we're gonna probably we ain't gonna start sending it just yet. We're gonna wait a little while before we start sending. We'll grow the channel a little bit, so we won't be wasting as much money, getting certain things and building certain stuff just to blow it. You know what I'm saying? But if we can get the channel growing, share the videos, we might send it. Even give it away, it don't make no difference. We'll do something. But be sure to like, subscribe, share the video. Hit that notification bell, and we're gonna get the video back rolling. Y'all know how we do it. See y'all back on the next one.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down.